Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, if you have these Samsung Galaxy latest TVs with the Tizen OS, as you can see the Samsung up here, if you're having the problem where your screen is gray, as you can see the screen is gray, much like an old television set where you're seeing only grays or just basically black and white. If your TV is in that particular mode, and of course everything it shows is gray or black and white, I'll show you to fix the problem. All right, so first of all, get your Samsung remote as seen here. What I'm going to do here guys is I'm going to go over, do note this is the Tizen OS, which is the latest OS from Samsung. So go over, we're going to go to settings, then we're going to select the first option there that says all settings. Alright, so we're going to wait until the main menu comes up as seen here. What we're going to do from here guys is we're going to go down and we're going to go to general and privacy, and of course under general and privacy we're going to go to accessibility. Alright, so there's a whole lot of settings under here. We're going to go down until we see an option that says grayscale. Notice it says it converts the colors of your screen to black and white mode. As you can see, it's on, so we're going to turn it off. There you go. Instantly as we turn it off, you can see that the color has returned. And let's check out the main screen. So if we go back to the main screen, you'll notice that the colors are back, and of course everything. Let's check this out. As you can see, all the main colors of the TV is shown. So if your TV is in black and white, it may not be broken. It might just be the setting that was turned on. It can be turned on when you're setting up the TV for the first time in error, and also it may have been that it was turned on somehow while the TV was functioning, so a child may have turned it on, or random key presses. So if you're having that particular issue, do check out the solution. Do hope this was helpful. And as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and that's a quick tip showing you to fix issues such as a gray screen issue on your device. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.